Hey guys, welcome back to our video of Premiere Pro series, and in this video we will be looking into the uses of our razor tool. So let's get started. Alright, now we've already learned how to trim our video using the selection tool by just dragging from our video start and end point. But what we can do to remove our middle part of the video? So here comes the razor tool, which allows you to trim the middle part of your video in just few steps. So we can use the razor tool to cut and split our videos. Now just select the tool and just right click on the timeline anywhere you like. And you can see our video is now split. Now just select those clips using the selection tool and delete by pressing the delete key on your keyboard, just simple as that. And also let me show you something, that whenever you delete some part of your video, then you also need to drag your other clips to combine it. So instead of doing all those things, you can simply hold your shift key on your keyboard before deleting your unwanted clips and just delete your clips holding shift key. Then you guys can see it automatically combines our rest of the videos, and this is called the repel delete. It's a pretty interesting feature. I'm sure that this will help you to edit your videos faster. Now sometimes you need to cut files from multiple tracks, so in that case you can press the shift key on your keyboard and you can see now our single razor has become doubled, which allows us to cut files from multiple tracks. And after that, just right click on your mouse and you can see our tool has cut the files from multiple tracks, and this is how you can use this tool to cut or split your files in your timeline. Also, if you want to use the shortcut key to cut your video, then you can use the Ctrl+K key on your keyboard to cut the selected file from your timeline. Similarly, if you want to cut multiple files from multiple tracks, then you can press Ctrl+Shift+K keys to cut multiple files from your timeline. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys have understood how to use the razor tool, shortcuts of razor tool to cut single or multiple files from your timeline, and also you can try repel delete to edit your video faster. And if you have any questions or queries regarding this video, then do let me know in the comment section below. So this is Tricky for you and your boy Ari signing out.